Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'll show you how to fix Ally Bank Transfer Failed 2026. Here are the common reasons and fixes. Incorrect bank details. Wrong account or routing number can cause rejection. Insufficient funds. Low available balance after pending transactions can lead to failure. Verification issues. Unverified linked accounts may block transfers. Security or fraud checks. Suspicious activity can cause the bank to stop the transfer. Transfer limits exceeded. Daily or monthly limits may have been crossed. Timing or processing issues. Weekends, holidays, or missing cutoff times can cause problems. Fix. Verify your bank details again. Check your available balance, not just total balance. Complete linked account verification trial deposits. Review transfer limits and restrictions. Try again during working hours. If the issue continues, contact Ally Support. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.